Felt brooches and more, tip number 5. Adding a ribbon to make a decoration or adding a tab with a keyring finding. So the first thing we're going to do is measure a piece of ribbon. We want that loop big enough but not too long. So I'm going to trim that off. And instead of just folding my loop in half, so that if you're hanging this on a tree, so that it sits with your decoration facing forward, if you fold your ribbon in half and then give it a little twist, when you hang your decoration on, your loop will fit over the branch and your robin will be facing the front. For a keyring, you want a much shorter piece. You're going to thread that through the base of your keyring, making sure that you've got plenty left to feed inside. You're going to open up your decoration, pop that inside, making sure there's plenty of your ribbon or your tape inside. Hold that closed, and when you stitch them, you're going to stitch them exactly the same way. But we're going to pop 2 little stitches instead of 1 each time we do a stitch, so I'm going to go over that again. So we've sewn that stitch twice. There we go. So you can see that stitch is a little bigger than the rest, and when we come up the next time, we're going to do the same again. I'm going to do this little stitch, and then we come up from the back through the same hole, going over the same stitch twice, and that's going to give a little bit of extra security, especially with a keyring where it might get pulled or caught. And you're going to do the same with the last stitch, and then to finish this brooch off, we'll do a little stitch past there, add the stuffing, and then finish them off.